When cooking pasta, it's always really important to make sure that your water has really a lot of salt, maybe like 3 or 4 tablespoons, just to make sure that it really tastes like the sea. It has to taste like the ocean. If it doesn't, then it's not salted enough. Also, you can add a little bit of olive oil. That usually helps with making sure that the pasta won't stick to each other. Why we do this is basically because we know the importance of the taste of the pasta itself, because a lot of Italians really take pride in the taste of the noodles that they're using. So this is why we actually salt it. If you just drown your pasta in sauce, and you're basically doing the noodles a disfavor. We're first going to start with some salt and pepper on our chicken breasts. Use both sides of it. Large peppercorns are fine, and then we're just really seasoning it with a bit of rock salt there. The other side as well. And then in a hot pan, we're just going to quickly spot fry it. Then we're just going to make really quick strips out of it. Thin ones, so that they really make sure that it cooks quickly and doesn't really take forever to cook. Just like that, and then we're going to fry that really quickly in some olive oil. While the chicken's cooking, we're just going to make our base of our sauce really easy. I'm going to grab 2 cloves of garlic here. I'm just going to chop them really roughly. Next, we're going to work on our red onion. So same thing. Chop it up finely. After that, mushroom, same thing. Quick chop. And diced as well. This one a little bit thicker than the rest. And we're done. Once your chicken is cooked through like that, we're just going to reduce the heat just a tad bit. And then we're going to grab all these ingredients here and we're going to add them to our dish. Just grab it in one go, and we're just going to add everything there. Our last element, just a little bit of walnuts, which we're going to crush up as well. We're just going to add that to our pan here, and at the same time we're just going to put a little bit of olive oil. Bite it up all together with a little of chicken stock, just to really get those flavors going, and at the same time cook our elements a little bit quicker inside. At this point, our pasta is probably done, so we're just going to add a little bit of our pasta. So remember, 1 serving size is about half a cup, so we're going to take it here and we're just going to add it. You don't really need to drain it because all that water has a lot of flavor already in it. Add that half cup of cooked pasta al dente, and then just mix everything together until all the water just slowly evaporates a little. Look at that beautiful mix. Once everything's cooked, we're just going to transfer it all to a bowl. to that, we're just going to add a little bit of chili flakes because I love my chili, and then some nice, gorgeous Parmesan that we're just going to grate just a tad bit of it, really just to bring out that creaminess in the dish. And additionally, if you want, you can add more pepper here, or a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, because it really does make a difference. But you've got this really simple, rustic pasta that I just made with some basil, some walnuts, some garlic, some red onions, some whole wheat pasta shells, and some fried chicken breasts, and it's just fantastic, and it's a great, great meal. And you see, this is just a proof that pasta doesn't need to be saucy. So people have been asking me for a really simple pasta dish that you can really put together in a couple minutes, and I did just that, and it's something different because you know your bolognese, you know your carbonara. Of course, carbonara isn't actual cream; it's usually just eggs. Remember that, or else it's not real pasta. But it's a really simple rustic dish that I love to make because it's just very comforting, and it's something that I indulge in after a long workout where I need those starches, those carbs, because if I work out for 2-3 hours and after a while I'm just going to hit a wall or bonk out because I don't have that fuel. So this is something I'll eat maybe after a race or after a really long ride or a really long run, just to fuel me up again. Because right now, for example, this morning I went biking, did 100 kilometers, and then in 1 hour I'm going to swim about 3 kilometers, and then I'm going to run 10 kilometers. So I really need that fuel, and this is something great that you can indulge in, and anyone can make this, and it's so simple, so simple. And I really hope you enjoy it. So see you guys.